Tonight I'm going to continue to build this Lego Modular Malfoy Manor. So I've got the second floor just started with some nice details. Given that it's always quite late at night, so I'm not going to progress that much. But let's just carry on from this point. So at least last time I haven't got any, breakdown in terms of parts not, I guess, kind of falling apart. We'll see how it goes this time. So I need 10 of this. But this one is a lot easier to locate. So and of course there's also like less brick. So that's also one reason. It's a lot easier to find stuff right now compared to building the first layer. So let's just get this. But then again, as some of the smaller bricks reduce in number, we'll also continue to have difficulty to find bricks later on. That's what I'm expecting. But I think the pace has picked up a little bit. Still not able to locate some of the bricks for me to finish the kitchen, but at least making some good progress here. Interesting. I will just do it like this. What's brick there? Yeah, I think the 1.2 somewhere. Yeah, here. And then we need to 1 by 1, is it? Okay. Is it here? I'm sure there was 2 of this, right? 1 by 1. So which gray though? Because the lighter gray. Okay. Got that piece here. What's this right here? Okay. The 1 by 1. Okay. Can I find 1 by 1? Yes, I can. But then finding that half round brick is gonna be a lot harder. Oh, it's not that hard. It's just right here. Okay. I thought it was gonna be difficult, but actually not that difficult. Okay. Alright, and then what's next? Interesting. 10 of the 1 by 1. No, that's actually pretty difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got the bricks here. Problem is okay. It's just making sure that it doesn't misalign. Okay, now this one is Yeah, yeah, I do find, the second level a lot more smooth. I think it's just, even without sorting the brakes, um, in general, it just, things, um a lot easier to spot, I would say. With the, okay, and where do I find this? Hmm. I thought it would be in here, but if I can't immediately spot them, it could be somewhere else. It might be in here. Let's see. Doesn't seems like it though. Nope, it's not in here. Anyway, it will pop up later on if it's not. Well, the problem is I will need them. Damn it. Anyway, let's see if I can swap them quickly. Yeah, it's a quite distinct color, so okay, finally. Okay, find them. So again, the whole thing is that there's less brick covering up stuff, so it's not easy for me to find the necessary parts. But then, so it's still struggling a bit to find the smaller bricks, because as I mentioned, the number of bricks is running out. So okay, we need this here. Four of those. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then the other one. Come on. Somewhere around here. I lost it again. Come on. Just can't find it. Oh, this is okay, found it. Can't believe that fireplace, have so many things to sort out. So let's make sure that everything is aligned well. Okay, should be fine. This one. Which one? This one. And somehow I need to locate. Okay, so like this, that round piece. Just right here. Okay. Does it look okay? I hope so. I didn't know this piece actually has the Lego logo printed, so just trying to get this aligned properly. Okay, next one's straightforward, just building the wall. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. I need like 12 of this because I think I'm gonna exhaust all of those bricks. So let's see if I can find all those. Just making sure. Okay. The problem is, you know, there's no other support, so it's still a little bit. Maybe you should have done the wall first. Again, I don't know why. Like so far, like lots of stuff kind of really focus on the looks. Like no doubt, it looks great. It's just the building experience. I mean, it's not like to the point that I'm gonna snap like the prime level, but still, I feel like could have maybe done the wall first. Yeah, I'm really not sure. Okay. Yep. What's next then? Okay. Now this is where it will be much more stable as I put all this in. And we'll do just one by one. Okay, just one by one bricks. Okay. One by 4. Hopefully, but instead of securing on top, but we're gonna build this. So we need 24. This color. Okay. And so I need like 3 times 6 is 24, right? So well, at least got some significant progress for same color. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's this one here. We need to do one more. 8, 2, 4, 6, 2. If you wonder why I haven't been talking so much, is because I'm just trying to concentrate on getting this done. So, because I'm counting how many bricks I have taken, because otherwise I lose track and I'm gonna make a mistake and then it's gonna slow me down again. 6 and 2 more. 7. 8. 8. Okay, what? Where did I make the mistake? What? I think there's a mistake there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I don't know. I thought I made a mistake, but it seems like I didn't. Maybe it's just me feeling tired, right? That is the only explanation. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so got the. You can see like it start taking shape. Now this is the part where it's not gonna kill me. It's I need this. Okay. Wait. Let's see. Just get the first one done. So I need 8 of this. 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, where's the other one? Where's the other pack with ones? 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8. But I need the one by one. It's so hard to find. Okay, 8 now. And I need 8 more. 1. Must be somewhere, right? It's not here. It's not here. Not here. No, definitely not here. Okay. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Get me over here, right? Finding bricks, finding bricks. Why is it so hard? 8, 8. I think I just need 1 more, right? Is it here? No, it's not here. It's not here. This is the thing that's just getting really difficult. It gets even more difficult when things start spilling out. Come on. Has to be somewhere. Not here. Is it here? Nope. Nope. Okay. Nope. Nope. Anyway, let's see. Wow. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. 1. Maybe here. Could be. But then it's going to be extremely difficult to find a 1 by 1 piece. Anyway, let's just do this first. 2, 3, 4. 5. 6. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one. The thing is, without that 1 by 1, I can't complete this step. Okay. And then one. And this. Just right here. Just pick those up first. This one. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 5, 6. Oh. One piece that I need. Just need one more. One more. Okay. 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's just find the other one. Must be somewhere. It's not here, not here. Quickly here though. Let's see. Just spread it out. Nope, not there. Seriously. So here. Not in this one. Okay. Two or something. Let's find it. Okay. One and two. So the next step is this. Make sure that it doesn't feel salt. Okay. I mean, compared to the first few days, able to do it a lot more quicker. How come? Did I really only have 6? Okay, need one more. Let's hope it's here as well. So the thing is, with 1 by 1, I will always have spare. It's just that all my Lego bricks are not well sorted. So yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Because if it's all well sorted, I wouldn't have that much of a problem. Right. 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. I'm getting there. Okay. And then I just get this. Maybe I just move this around so I've got more space here. So it's like this. Okay. Well, the only way that is that you can have a flat surface and have it like pushed down so that those 1 by 1, it's not in a odd angle. Here we are. Okay, and then need 8 more of this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, what's next? Should be done, right? Yep, that's done. So let me hold this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's when we start to put all the windows, right? So yeah, exactly. Alright, just need 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So let's just line it up, and then we just need the windows. Okay. To be honest, I could have instead of progressing the build and get all the windows, so that's how I did the Avengers Tower, but yeah, okay. So let's just grab all the window from here, so I don't get that many new space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 6. I thought there were more wins. 8. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so let's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8. I've got take this all out. Okay, windows here. It's good that the windows usually at the same place. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, need more, but I'm looking for more. Should this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just need one more. Anyway, I'm getting really tired, so I think after doing this, okay, once I put the windows on and see if the next step is actually kind of having something to stabilize it. If yes, I'll continue. If not, I might just call it a day. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You know, the moment that you start putting all the windows on, it's you kind of feel like you kind of really making some key progress. Because there's actually not that many bricks left compared to what happened in the beginning. Yep, so we need the dark tan, this one. This side, always pick the wrong bricks. So that's this one and only. Okay, anyway. We only need 4. Only need 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Yep. And then where's the environment? This okay, got one here. Cool. Why is this only got one in here? It's ridiculous. Come on. This can't be right. Are you kidding me? No way this is happening. Like, seriously? Okay. Okay. I mean, scanning that. Okay. Okay. And what's next? Now this is where it start to connect the dots. But it's not entirely aligned yet, so but it will makes it harder to fall apart. That's what I think, but it might not be true. Okay. Shoot. Just make sure there is a line, because it doesn't look entirely confusing right now. Okay, or at least some parts won't fall apart, but I can't guarantee the rest. Okay, well, definitely we need to finish this part so that you know, this looks okay. Okay, and to be honest, all it takes is just my elbow gonna hit the corner too hard, and then the whole box will just fall down a little bit. Clean up rather than building. Yep. Oh, actually, one thing that I just got my black belt today and got the Arkham Asylum earlier. So like 2 of the newest release, but they're all like 3,000 pieces. I don't know. I do need to tidy up, finish the reorganization of the room. So, but until then, I don't think there's much I can do. Is it right? It feels like. Wait. No, it's right. Okay. Oh, what's the time? Let's see. Okay, it's a bit late. I don't know. The other parts is kind of essentials. Let's just do this. Let me grab the instruction booklet. Yeah, like we do 16 of this. Okay, after this step, I'm gonna call it a day, because I need to have this do it like 16 times. Well, obviously have to, because it's one of the key aesthetic of this main manor. I always try to call it mansion for some reason. Well, at least the tile are not hard to find. Just there's a lot. Just Let's just scrap 5, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have to go. 16. Okay. I'll just drop this out. I think I might. Because my finger too big for all this small packs. That would help getting this done. Normally, like if the build is unfinished, but if I can stack up, I would have stacked them up. But right now, I don't know because of that part was a little bit unstable. Come on. Yes. Yeah. I can't believe there's still not enough of that. Just enough. Just enough. Okay. 1, 2. I'll just do like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's one done. One. Oh, this one's not properly lined. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so tired. 8. Okay. And then this just goes to the corner and start, looking like the man. Okay. And the next step is to get it secure. I will just finish off the next step. I need to break the quarter of the piece. Where did those go? Where did those gone? So here. Oh, right. That's gone somewhere, which I can't find. Interesting. No. No. Okay. I thought I saw it. I thought I saw it here though. What? Am I delusional? Oh, it's a black one. Oh, let's see. Alright, I'll find the other one that I need though. Oh, so those are black one. Anyway, think anyway, let's just do this. Because that would help. Kind of. 1, 2, and can't find it. Can't find it. And then I'm trying to find the other tile that I need. Anyway, so yeah, where are those? Is it here? No. These are all black. Unless I got some of those wrong. No, I think this is correct. So anyway, I don't think I will progress to the next step because the other one. Then I can just do one more. That all the other one is just smaller pieces, which I don't have it right now. Just get all this back into one, because otherwise I'll lose all these bricks. This one, yeah, we don't have the. Find one here. Okay. Well, at least got this one right. Okay, so this one is like this. Okay. Here, this one can go. Oh, don't go away. No. I'll just put all this back in a bag so I don't lose them. Unfortunately, there's someone trying to open the door. Okay. Because it's getting really late, so I need to go to bed soon. So to be honest, I don't have a video prepared for the weekend, so there's something I need to work on. This various thing happening in life, just it disrupt the plan a little bit. So okay, so just put this, and at the same time try to look for the parts I might need, but it's definitely not here. Oops. What's this? It's all here. I know why I didn't touch this one, because I was supposed to finish building the kitchen. Okay. So I'm supposed to do like this. Alright. At least I get apart from the kitchen, like other parts are all done. Okay. Well, that's it. I never look at that particular bag because it wasn't the main priority. Maybe some of the bricks also missing, just because it's in the bag that I overlooked, and most likely is the case. Just make sure that they don't end up falling apart. And I can put the instructions somewhere here. And anyway, we got the step 279, and finally, this is problematic because until I build this side of the wall, then it will be a little bit unstabilized. Other than that, so no interior yet, but build a wall. So here we are. I don't think I can, because I think if I just put on top, it will, yeah, I mean it looks good though, but yeah, I don't know, if I press it down, yeah, maybe I could do it. Because it doesn't really have much to hold on to on the other side, but anyway, is it easy to, oops, see, that is exactly the problem I was worried about. Easy, I want to wrap up and then this happened. Just that one is really not secure anyway, so I'm not going to stack up. So I've got the back of the second level completed, so this is how it looks like, and I can't wait. Maybe I've got the next day I will probably like get this wall done, and it's getting there. I think still about a week or two until I can do a full review on this particular build, if I don't interrupt the whole building process. But anyway, it is what it is. Got this done, looking nice, but it's really late. It's time for me to go to bed. So good night.